you.
You want to?
Excellency, I have the honor to present the praise from President of the Republic to Your Excellency, according to me as the High Commissioner of the Republic to Fiji. I also have the honor to present the Olympic Board of my predecessor.
Your Excellency, I am very pleased to receive your credentials and let the report of your predecessor. I welcome you most warmly to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a happy and very successful mission. Please convey to His Excellency the President, the Government, and the people know our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace and prosperity. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Very nerve-wracking. I'm wishing I had a more impressive signature.
I thought you were on a Fijian signature.
Thank you, thank you.
Take care, we'll see you.
Okay, thank you.